Have you ever wondered how your blood oxygen levels look while you sleep? Let's check it out using the Samsung Health app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Samsung Health app on your phone. On the dashboard, look for the blood oxygen during sleep cuff. As you can see, it shows a quick ring of your latest oxygen levels with a color indicator. Tap the card to view the details. At the top, you will see a bar graph of your daily measurement. Below that, you will find your lowest and highest oxygen ring with a color bar. Here, you will also see detail broken down by sleep session. As a note, this result come from measurement taken with my Galaxy Watch 6, but everything is displayed neatly inside the Samsung Health app on the phone. So, if you want to keep track of your nightly oxygen levels, the blood oxygen during sleep card in Samsung Health is the place to go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.